Hi, today we'll be making our own bubbles. To do this, you will need one bowl, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, 1 cup of warm water, and a bubble wand, but I'm making my own bubble wand by using a pipe cleaner. To start off, put your water, corn syrup, and dish soap into the bowl. And then mix it all together. Now, if you are using a pipe cleaner to make your own bubble wand, I'm going to just make mine into a circle, but feel free to be creative and make it into a heart, a star, or whatever shape you like. And then go ahead and dip it into the solution. Thank you for making bubbles with me, and have a nice day.